Hello and welcome back, everybody. I'm out today in McConnells Mill Park. I heard there's some rock shelters and possibly some caves out here. Beautiful park to check out. A couple old historic structures. So I'm gonna look around and see what we can find today. See if I can find any caves that actually go anywhere. Check out some of these rock formations and see if there's anything cool. If you like this content, please like and subscribe and tap the bell notification button. Alrighty guys, I'm done talking. Let's see what we find. So this is the old McConnells Mill. It was built in 1852 by Daniel Kennedy, and it was the first mill on Slippery Rock Creek. Fire destroyed the mill years later, and shortly after, the mill was rebuilt in 1868. Further down the road, Thomas McConnell bought the mill in 1875, and he improved it. He replaced the water wheel with water turbines and replaced the grinding stones with cylindrical roller mills. So this improved the efficiency of the mill itself. At one point in time, this mill was the center point of the community. It was used for years and years. Eventually, the mill stopped being used in 1928, and way further down the road, in 1957, McConnells Mill State Park was formally created. So this is an awesome place to visit, tons of history, and I'm very surprised at how well this building is maintained. Anyways, you didn't come here to hear me talk, so I'm just going to let you enjoy the video. Pretty cool. So this is where water came into the old mill. Alrighty guys, we made up to the cliff face above the road here. We're gonna look for some caves. I noticed some cool little formations on the outside here. Almost miniature stalactites.
And iron.
Yeah, and that appears to possibly be iron. So we're gonna keep checking out the base of this cliffside. You wanna go in with me, dude?
Maybe a little.
So let's see what we can find. This place is awesome. So just off the main road here, we have what looks to be a rock shelter. I don't think it really goes anywhere, but let's check this out. Oh, spider webs. Kind of keeps going. And I can kind of notice, I noticed this down at the bottom of the hill too. I noticed cool breezes coming out from little holes in the rock. So I do believe there are cave systems, but a lot of them are just the openings are too small for people to go in and check it out. I did bring my caving helmet and stuff. but I don't think any of these caves really go anywhere deep enough for me to cave. Nope. Well, what have we here? It's definitely. Let's try to walk around to the left. Oh yeah, I think that goes back. Interesting. So we're gonna go back out to the main road. I saw a little mini canyon just up the road a little bit. I'm gonna check that out. Apparently there's some more rock shelters up there. So I'm with the family today, but I'm gonna have to come back here with my caving buddies, do a little more digging and see if some of these caves open up and go anywhere. It's probably best I don't go in there and check these out too extensively today, mainly because I'm the only one going in. So I'm out here investigating another part of the park. I've been peeking through here. I really don't think, yeah, that doesn't go anywhere. But this is a promising sign. Got ourselves a little rock shelter here. Let's check this way. I'm definitely coming back here with my caving buddies, because there's got to be some. These have to keep going somewhere. I feel that cold breeze again. Oh yeah. I think we have a, nope. False alarm. I feel a cold breeze though. I'm feeling all up and down these rock formations. So I know some of these keep going. All right, let's check out another one. All right, we're coming up to the second little mini canyon. So let's see if we find any more caves or rock shelters. Oh yeah. Gonna check that out in 1 second. Wow. Can you all see that? So, not so sure a human can fit in there. Looks like it kind of just ends. Might have to come back down and take a peek. Looks like it kind of opens around the corner. I'm gonna see for a second. Let's check out this valley though. This is so cool. Wow, I can definitely tell I'm a little out of shape. Whew. That's pretty high up. So I see something to my right that's caught my eye. Just down there. Is that solid ground we got? Whoa. Sinking. Let's try the other side. Wow. Oh. Yeah, just connects to the other side. Still super cool. It's another little rock shelter. All right, let's go peek our heads inside that other cave if we can. Just shut you guys off for a minute. So I feel a cold breeze coming out of here. It definitely goes back a little further. I have almost no battery left. Wasn't really expecting to even find any sort of possible, even true caves today. It feels like this one is a true cave, but I'm gonna come back when I have a caving buddy. I'm with my family today, so I've done it before, but it's not a good idea to go by yourself. I'm gonna come back with a caving buddy and definitely check this out. And the other one that I think keeps going, that's down the hill from here. But I'll definitely be back here. If you like this sort of content, please like and subscribe. Tap that bell notification to the right, and I'll catch you all next time.